welcome.
Yes,
welcome
sir.
everybody. Paul here, Music Villa, Bozeman, Montana.
Clear it out there, Paul. Hey,
Okay.
I just want to point out
Yeah.
something real quick. Usually when I see the headstock as a Taylor, folks know I play a Herco flat thumb pick, right?
Yeah.
That's my finger style
Yeah.
kind of pick. But as soon as I saw this
Yeah.
Dreadnought, I actually went to the flat pick because
You were going to do your Dreadnought thing.
I want to do a Dreadnought thing with this. I want to flat pick it a little bit.
And I got to admit, this thing does it really well. I love what Taylor's doing right now. I'm really, really happy to see some of these models coming back. This is it's a legacy, okay? They call it a Legacy 810. I think Bob Taylor's kind of back in the shop sniffing around and, having some fun. He's been
saying, hey, what about a little throwback to the heyday?
Exactly, yep. And, he's been out there saving the forests and doing a lot of really cool stuff with wood. But I think he's time to get back to his roots and mess around with guitars a little bit. But, they brought back the Legacy series this year, right? The 810, which is a classic guitar. This one is, it's a cool burst finish. And then this is the Cindy inlay, which is kind of a classic inlay that they had too for a while. But I believe, from what I was reading about this one, that this X brace is slightly new design of an X brace.
Right, different than traditional.
It's not exactly like the old Legacy. But what a cool guitar! And I mean, obviously,
well,
the sound.
you can hear the X brace, right? And it's a beautiful piece of rosewood on the back there.
I like the bound neck.
Yeah, the whole thing is well put together. So you're starting to get that good Dreadnought sound with that classic Taylor playability.
It's got airbags in there as well. Oh, you know what?
What's up?
Let's just for our ears.
Okay.
We're just comparing it so you can hear what stuff sounds like to a J45, right? This is a mahogany guitar. That's rosewood. So it's not like a straight up.
It's not a head-to-head, but it's just a relative comparison.
It's so you're
all right, here we go.
Okay.
All right, let me see this guy. See if she's still in tune. Close enough. I gotta say that Taylor's sounding pretty full.
Yeah.
This sounds
very
like
full.
the Gibson.
That sounds like a J45 to me. I just love that sound.
Yeah.
But I'm glad to hear that this is sounding.
A little bit more depth there.
Yeah. I'd say rosewood. That's kind of rosewood versus mahogany, but excellent guitar.
Yeah. Oh, it's so nice to see an X brace Taylor. And I think it delivers. We've talked about through the various Taylor bracing styles, the experimentation.
Yeah.
Great for some players, what they're looking for. For you and I think we're drawn to that acoustic boom. We like the low end, the fullness of it, and this guitar delivers that.
Yeah.
So
Like I said, the things Taylor's doing right now, which is really good. They're getting their lineup kind of organized, and you got your X brace and your gold label and your V brace. There will be a little bit of something for everybody, and that's going to be great.
Who doesn't like options?
Exactly. So that's it. Cool little limited. I think these are very limited. This is just a small
Legacy 810E Special Edition Heritage Burst.
Heritage Burst. There it is. Special edition. Available here at Music Villa. Come check it out. Quentin, thanks for being here.
You bet.
Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.